In the sequence of stories of superhit films shown on Khabar Tak, the new link of story that I have brought before you today is the story of film Dhurandhar, that is Veteran. This film was brought on silver screen on the 5th of December 2025, and this has been speedily progressing towards to be most grossing film of this year. It has left behind many films like Animal, Stree 2, Shraddha, etc., and is going to be the part of one of the three most grossing film of all time of Hindi. This film was directed by Aditya Dhar, and the lead role in this film are played by Ranveer Singh, Akshay Khanna, and Sara Arjun, whereas Sanjay Dutt, Arjun Rampal, Kabir Bedi, etc. played character role in this film. Akshay Khanna has played negative role in this film. This film describes of the event on Parliament attack, Mumbai attack, and the camouflage action of Raw in different countries in order to subside the extremist organization like ISI. This film includes many dance scene and melodious song as well. The music director of this film is Saraswat. The first few lines of some of prominent melodious song of this film I am humming for you. तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं तेरी, तू अगर मेरी सारी राहें तेरी, तू अगर मेरी तो मैं हूँ दीवाना तेरा। आंधी बन कर आया हूँ, मेरा हौसला भी अयास है, न तो कारवां की तलाश है, न तो कारवां की तलाश है, न तो हम सफर की तलाश है, न कारवां की तलाश है, न तो कारवां की तलाश है, न तो कारवां की तलाश है। कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नियत नूरानी तेरा दिल है सुनहरा, पर्दे नू पीछे किए किसनू पता, जरा खबीनी में चस्का चखा, तुझे शरारत से काबा तनु नैना लड़ाना। Now let us know about the film Dhurandhar, that is Veteran. Film Dhurandhar, that is Veteran, starts on December 30, 1999. Foreign Minister Devbrat Kapoor, played by Akshay Khurana, and IB director Ajay Sanyal, played by R. Madhavan, negotiates with terrorist Jahur Mistry to release three terrorists, including his brother, and pay 10 United States dollar million in exchange for the lives of airline passengers held captive in Kandahar. Raw Chief K.S. Buller, played by Ali Raja Namdar, rejects Sanyal's proposal to infiltrate terrorist network in Pakistan. But after the 2001 attack on the Indian Parliament, Kapoor approved Sanyal's Operation Dhurandhar, that is Operation Veteran. Sanyal sends agent Hamza Ali Mazari, played by Ranveer Singh, to Pakistan via Afghanistan. Arriving in Lyari, Karachi, Hamza meets Muhammad Alam, played by Gaurav Gira, who owns a juice shop. He moves in with him and works as a waiter. During this time, he learns about gangster Rahman Dakat, played by Akshay Khanna, and his rival leaders. Being a Baluch, Hamza can only join Rahman's gang. Hamza and Alam learn that a rival Pathan gang led by Rahman's estranged father Babu Dakat played by Asif Ali Haidar, is planning to kill Rahman's eldest son Naeem Baluch. The next day, Babu's men attack a wedding attended by Naeem and his younger brother Faisal. Hamza rescues Faisal, but Naeem is killed. At the hospital, Hamza meets Rahman and his cousin Ujair Baluch, who recruit him due to his firearms expertise. Jamil of Pakistan People's Party warns Ujair not to retaliate before the Layari election. While associated with the gang, Hamza learns of their illegal productions of unlicensed firearms. On Hamza's advice, Rahman decides to avenge Naeem. Hamza, Ujair, and the gang kill Babu's men. Rahman attends a PPP rally organized by Jamil. Hamza meets Jamil's daughter Yelena at the event and later develops a relationship with her. The Khanani brothers introduces Rahman to ISI Chief Major Iqbal, played by Arjun Rampal, a businessman who is encouraging Rahman to enter politics. Iqbal asks him to provide weapons and ammunition. During the transaction, Hamza witnesses Iqbal brutally torturing an Indian spy and learns about his counterfeit currency dealings with Khanani. Hamza tells this to Alam, who informs Sanyal. The intelligence bureau suspects that Pakistan possesses plates of Indian currency notes. While transporting weapons, Hamza discovers a plan for a major attack on India and passes this information to the intelligence bureau. Rahman's involvement with the Khanani alienates Jamil, who then appoints former Superintendent of Police Chaudhry Aslam to eliminate Rahman. Aslam arrests Rahman while Hamza searches for the weapons. Hamza sends Jamil a video recorded by Yelena revealing Jamil's collusion with Aslam and gangster Arshad Pappu, whom Jamil had promised control of Layari. Jamil sends Aslam a video demanding Rahman's release. Aslam initially refuses but relents when Hamza sends him a live stream of himself and Ujair torturing officers from Aslam's Layari task force. Despite warning, the 26/11 Mumbai terrorist attacks occur, leaving Hamza stunned and witnessing them with his associates Rahman and Iqbal. Enraged by his failure to prevent the attacks, Hamza resolves to expose and dismantle Pakistan's terrorist network. He secretly approaches Jamil with a plan to rule Layari after marrying Yelena, giving Jamil long-term influence through family ties. Hamza then strikes a deal with Jamil and Aslam to eliminate Rahman. At Hamza and Yelena's wedding, Iqbal asks Rahman for another weapon shipment. Rahman tells Hamza to check his calendar. Taking advantage of Rahman's intoxication, Hamza schedules the arms shipment on the same day as Rahman's scheduled event, creating an ambush opportunity for Aslam. On August 19, 2009, Hamza sends an unsuspecting Ujair to the shipment's rendezvous point while he takes Rahman and his men to a meeting which turns out to be Aslam's ambush site. Near the scene, Rahman realizes Hamza's betrayal, leading to a violent confrontation inside the car. As soon as Aslam arrives, Hamza crashes the car and flees into the jungle. Aslam pursues Rahman while his officers kill Rahman's henchman Donga in a shootout. Hamza kills Rahman's second lieutenant, then helps Aslam overpower and severely injure Rahman. Hamza, under the pretense of helping Rahman, take him to the hospital. Rahman soon dies there, and Ujair and the others remain unaware of Hamza's role in this death. Hamza's true identity is revealed to be Jakirat Singh Rangi, an Indian prisoner on death row, has trained him as an undercover agent for operations. After eliminating Rahman, he consolidates his power in Layari and plans to target Bade Sahab, the mastermind of several Pakistani terrorist attacks on India.